Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can catch the Magma Smeltfish in Fish It Roblox Kohana expansion update. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this update, you will need this Magma Smeltfish to complete one of the quests from here, from the Kohana Event Quest. We need to catch 15 Magma Smeltfish and we will get the 10k coins, and yeah, it's worth. And if you want to catch the Magma Smeltfish, you need to go to the Kohana Island and then move to the Kohana Volcano. Okay, Magma Smeltfish is the fish from the Kohana Volcano. So you need to go to the Kohana Volcano and do fishing here. And if you're lucky, you will get the Magma Smeltfish. And for the fish, I would like to recommend you to, for the rod, guys, I would like to recommend you to use the best rod that you have. If you have ghost and rod, you can use it. But since I haven't completed the deep sea quest yet, now I'm using the Aris rod. Okay, guys, and wait, let me show you the fish index. Okay, done. The Magma Smeltfish is one of the rare fish. You can catch one in 300 chance. Again, that's all the way to catch the Magma Smeltfish in Fish It. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.